If you're considering Pagecloud for your website building needs, here are 7 things you need to know before making a purchase. You'll want to stay tuned until the end because I'll share a bonus tip that can save you time and money compared to competitors like Wix and Squarespace. First, let's talk about the ease of use. Pagecloud prides itself on being user-friendly, even for those with no design or coding experience. Unlike other website builders like Wix, which can sometimes feel restrictive or require you to learn specific design principles, Pagecloud offers a more flexible drag-and-drop interface. This means you can create visually stunning websites without any hassle. But here's the catch. While it's easier to use than many competitors, there's a slight learning curve for advanced features, so you'll want to get familiar with the platform's more in-depth tools over time. Next thing you need to know is that Pagecloud's customization options are extensive. While Squarespace is known for its beautifully designed templates, Pagecloud goes one step further, allowing for pixel-perfect design. Whether you want to adjust padding, margins, or use custom code, the level of control you have is unparalleled. This makes it a great choice if you want a truly unique look for your site. However, keep in mind that this can be overwhelming for those who are just starting out with web design. The third thing is how Pagecloud integrates with other platforms. If you're looking for e-commerce marketing or CRM tools, Pagecloud has a solid suite of integrations with third-party services like MailChimp, Google Analytics, and Shopify. This can make it easier to streamline your business operations. But it's worth mentioning that the e-commerce features themselves aren't as robust as Shopify, so if you're running a large online store, you might need to look elsewhere. The fourth thing is that Pagecloud's pricing is competitive, but not the cheapest option on the market. At first glance, it may seem like a solid deal, especially when compared to other builders like WordPress or Wix. But if you're just starting with a small personal site or a blog, the pricing can quickly add up, especially if you opt for higher tier plans to unlock more advanced features. It's a trade-off for the quality and flexibility you get, but if budget is your primary concern, be sure to compare the monthly cost to what you're actually using. The fifth thing you need to know is about SEO. If you're looking for a platform that helps you rank well on Google, Pagecloud has some solid built-in SEO features. This includes editable meta tags, image optimization, and URL customization. However, unlike WordPress, it doesn't have as many in-depth SEO plugins, so if you're planning to do extensive SEO work or need advanced features, you might need to use external tools to fully optimize your site. The sixth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness of your Pagecloud site. With mobile traffic accounting for over half of global web traffic, it's crucial that your site looks great on mobile devices. Pagecloud shines here. Its designs are automatically mobile responsive, meaning that your website will adjust based on the screen size of the device. However, you should still test your site across various devices to ensure everything looks as expected. Finally, the seventh thing you should know is that Pagecloud offers a free trial, and you can test out the software before committing to a paid plan. That's right, you can try Pagecloud for free through the first link in the description. This is a great way to get a feel for the platform and see if it's the right fit for your needs. By taking advantage of the free trial, you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that can help you get started quickly. So, if you're ready to try out Pagecloud for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best free trial available, along with exclusive benefits to make your website building journey even smoother.